Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable multiplayer games or allow with friends only on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap on Content Restrictions. In here, scroll down and then tap on Multiplayers in the Game Center. From the list here, if you want to disable multiplayer games, then select Don't Allow. Otherwise, you can choose Allow with Friends Only or Allow with Everyone to enable it. And that's it. Select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.